Here's our playground design. We have a key at the bottom so you can see our slides, climbing structure, and monkey bars. We also have our benches scattered around. Here we have a scale to show that things like swings that have U-zones have the appropriate distance. Like as you can see, this is at least 6 feet, which is the proper U-zone for the swings. We have our main path that connects to ramps for wheelchair, plus our entire playground has rubber surfacing that is easy to roll a wheelchair on. We also have ramps that meet the required slope. Math is incorporated in designing a playground. To figure out the area of our playground, we multiplied the length, which is 105 feet, by the width, which is 75 feet, to get 7,875 square feet. Then we multiplied 7,875 by 11, which is the cost per square foot of the rubber surfacing, to get $86,625 as our total cost for surfacing. To figure out the perimeter of our playground, we multiplied the length, which is 105, by 2, and then we added that with 75 times 2 to get 360 square feet. Then we multiplied the 360 feet by 30, which is how much the fencing costs per square foot, to get $10,800 for our fencing. Taxes and shipping will be 5% of the cost, and the average repair cost factoring in labor is $600.
Figure out our cost per element plus the ramps and platforms that access it. We had a cost of $2,850 per element. Now we multiplied that by 22 since we have 22 elements, and we got $62,700, which is the total cost of our elements, ramps, and platforms. We have all this information to figure out the cost of our whole playground. We had to add the $62,700 from the cost of the elements, ramps, and platforms, plus $98,025 for surfacing and fencing, and add on $8,036 for maintenance and taxing. Now, adding all this together, we got a cost of $168,761.25.
A path must have a 36-inch clear width that allows 2 children to walk past each other from opposite directions. The maximum slope for a wheelchair ramp is 1 by 12. The top of the handrail gripping shall be 20 inches as a minimum to 28 inches as a maximum above the ramp surface.
According to the CPSC, a use zone is a surface under and around a piece of equipment onto which a child falling from or exiting the equipment would be expected to land. Use zones must be kept free of any obstructions or items that could cause injury to a child exiting or falling from a piece of equipment. The use zones for slides up to 6 feet is 6 feet, and for slides with a height of above 6 feet, the use zone must be equivalent to the height of the slide, up to 8 feet, measured from the highest point of the slide to the surfacing material. For swings, the use zone is twice the height of the swings in front and back of the equipment, and a 6-foot radius around the swing structure. The height of a swing is measured from its pivot point to the surfacing material. The use zone for stationary equipment is 6 feet. This means that a clear 6-foot radius around the equipment must be maintained. The reason we are talking about the use zone is because we had to factor that in creating the area for the park. The average cost per element is $2,850.